Okay, we have chicken thighs, chicken legs. This is just the marinade for overnight. We're making Dirty Bird chicken in honor of the Atlanta Falcons, even though I'm in Ohio. Just some simple Italian seasoning, dressing. Full bottle. This is also known as bat wing chicken for chicken wings. I'm doing it different. Black tan. Some Nashville hot. Some buttery buffalo. And the star of the show, black food coloring gel. I do not know how much of this I need,
Be careful what you say.
so we're just gonna check it. Alright, now we're gonna attempt to dump this in here without making a huge mess all over the counter. And then we'll close them up. Hopefully my bags don't leak. As much of the air out as we can. Make sure all of it is coated. And I'm putting in a hole just to be on the safe side. This is a total experiment. I saw someone do vampire wings. To me, the wings are too small, not good for dinner. So I'm doing thighs and legs. That will marinate in the refrigerator overnight, and we will see you tomorrow. Okay. As I said in the other video, these were marinated in Italian sausage and black food coloring. Didn't exactly take how I wanted, but that's okay because I'm gonna use some of my black jalapeno. It is football Sunday. Here in Ohio, it's a little chilly. But I got the TV out to watch football. These are my Dirty Bird chicken in honor of my favorite team, the Falcons. Alrighty, smoker's at about 260. I will kick it up to a higher temperature in a little bit. For now, it's fine. a total experiment. We'll see how it comes out. Alrighty, we'll let them smoke and we'll give some updates. Alright, it's been about a couple hours. I just put some wood in, that's why it's so smoky. Got a mix of apple wood and cherry. I'm just gonna give it a little spritz. Not much, just a little. And these three are for the youngest son. Just in case he doesn't like the idea of eating black chicken. Alright. Probably about another half hour or so and we'll be ready. Alright, chicken has all reached temperature on the Dirty Bird chicken. Got the great black color I was going for. It is not burnt. Looks great though. My normal color of chicken. Hey, it's always fun to do something different. Ingredients we're going to use for our Dirty Bird chicken. This will be our red spicy ranch dipping sauce. Alright. About a half a bottle ranch, some Smoke Eater bourbon. You can use any hot sauce you want. Don't know a lot. Cajun seasoning. Red food coloring. Hopefully this makes it red, not pink. I'll see.
Is it ballin' or is it fallin'?
Ballin'.